Lakini regeta koranga ni gamba kuli kwe mincha. Lakini endo irani rasta mangana sasa. Karibu sana sisi studio bwana Morara tunasonga kimlioni.
Mbiyande kabisa.
Yes.
Tuwakira Nyasaye mbiyamona so bogima tutaliwakanira.
Yes.
Yes.
Karibu sana.
Mbiyamona.
Nakyogendere.
Mbiyande I'm in perfect good health.
Yes.
Nande abana bane mbiyabari no murugi nere mbiyana mutigari.
Yes.
And nande ninde nekene nga omotege nanya konyora mangana maya. Wetera samana ituranya gukwana rero. Elinde neranya konyoba semi bwiguru. Igoro yenchere nse yaitebwenete gonchoreri gwetera chimbu nebikorwa.
Ima tengo choro kanya kwa toko enda sama ngana magia senchira erenkira ni chinse tuma pira na gocha. By the way, I didn't wa to biro.
Bomas.
Kwa bweni?
Okay. Now when it partly lakini bado ni mbate shida sevi goti nimokase spinal cord yomogongo. Gochande naenda physiotherapy. Ndiro mwenye gitari recommending a probably someday in the future na soccer surgery because there is an injured nerve gabu, but we are trusting that physiotherapy nenya gokora na Nyasaye nene nanyare gokora okobweni kwae inde nyare koba we are like in perfect good health, but I'm okay, I'm able to function, but nimbate a slight pain to the left.
By the way, ibiro wa nyo tingi chako berete.
Ngake itwa what public participation yani yaenge mokutano boko kusanya maoni during the impeachment ya Rigathi Gachagua. Ekero nagenda gali kumbe mekutano eri abangire nande abanasiasa bale goferi abantu nekigali. Igo abantu bali ngali yarenge nga natural organic crowd yaenga abantu bale mobilized baletire n'abanasiasa bagwa kanwebes. Na goons bali ba viongozi bali bono buna oyo ndeka Juang na bitu selachi robo babwate gunzi bijane bagotara na barabo bagoita abantu ebijane binabo nabo bangamere tirende abashimiwa una batebe tembe attacked kero na temete koligiri baga ko kurwa maoni yana sekipaza sauti bakandi nali bagaliri bakamanya kongameli abamura bali bandu terebirogo biria abamura bali bakarute birogo bye chichuma. Birogo ebintu binde bikanga ko moto erinde bigoti uriyo ngo molendio ne nabatemete go shield from those chairs lakini rende some of them chikangikera nkanyara nkatema gotama ngaikaso morango nganya morango yosi ekirega bidding ende koligyo morango mongao omosika abasigari bake bakankonya nkanyara gosoka isiko kobekwe gali ya police nkairunya gitari Nairobi hospital karwali unkamanya konganyo chinya gitari ngao. And since then I've not forgotten but I've forgiven those people who did that. Bangi babomba manyiti kibakora mono konyora barage drugs abande bale drunk sinja abanasiasa bakonyora bamura bale drunk gosabu bayarage drugs to be easier to use. Monekero batete gutumia abamura se vurugu ya siasa bakora abamaru kwanza nenya sole gose other hard drugs elinde bona abamura bali bakorega sia bono naboko ba attack totabwati magoso but because otete gotenena in front of interests ya abanasiasa. So it was a sad day, but it's over now. God gave us life, another opportunity to live, and I hope that I'll live for him. Nande ni nyaroko koro kinda nyoreli bagali okobo mogambia sama chi matukara chiche. I hope that I'll be a leader of integrity otali mokurumi wata maskani aye nando otali gukurume bintu byabantu.
Karibu sana mimi tanga itoro kanyara mangana maya sinjira nkero tumakuru na gocha go bana matele mese sobere to bese gusukare go toragana sa mangana maya manyanga ngwira to kinya kubato kwani gwihita setu watatu watiganya mangana siasa o kanyara ko ba inject pati ngwito kanyara test gusunga kwa chitoka kwa
Nabatu abwate planning yasani okoreje stake ya makeli inject, which was inclusion of national justice and civic transformation party. That's what inject stands for. But okanyora a lot of challenges. The number one challenge was finances, because okoreje stake chama from zero pakocha gukora, it doesn't cost less than 5 million. Because each process chirigo chakera bunoko pikerieta bunoko like constitution bunoko endek. It's actually, that's on the lower side. Yani ine kerochike tepi. Because no one torejes at least 2,000 members in like 24 counties. 2,000 members varia kwenda kuba register on the ground. It's not easy. It's a logistical nightmare. And no when you go to 24 offices across the country, you need to have at least 24. In 47 counties, you need to have at least 24 offices. Rochichi obisi 24. Yani we go no igora ka obisi bona gasini ni kale go 3 foot by 4 feet. Yani nakaba kanga ne mpesa. Lakini kwenye kabwate kende yose ne kiroge desk na nini ne computer ni ntabantu bagotumia. If you look at that cost, 5 million is actually on the lower side. Kutwara those 24 offices na kutwara clerks back onto the ground to register those 2,000 members. But that was not a problem. We were able to ligia basani na Kenya na baba to support yake. We had the strength to do it. But now a challenge to achite konyora ulio kurukunga nere umusajili we via ma register political parties. Iga chitaga tolikira lirube kotebanga bantu mbakonyara guchaka kiama kie vijana. Nye kiama kie vijana is whereas in Kenya ntomenye tenga farmers party nero ya abalemi, you know, there are parties for different people, so they were refusing that you can't register a chama for young people. It was clearly unconstitutional and sheria because sheria, we found that it was not the actual thing. Lakini ntwachi gokebwati gochikotini asinge nchenga keli nalitu abwate seigia neno on social media. Serikali yabegete bloggers, thousands of them. And no matter tokurwa nebe se serikali wenyale because ikenga no kwa kana chi blogger, the government will always have more bloggers than you. Abwate vijana ngeli bubagwa kanu 500 baregister chi account nyechi ya Facebook, isatu chi ya TikTok. Muraba no bale social media bakorama bagocholia abantu so bago salerie lieta bono toli konyara because the noise becomes too much na ande ba erode public trust yani okwegena kolimo na inchi abwate ase process imotete gokoreri ni munyago konya abantu bali turokorama kolino gocholi kuli banyago okay trust eri abana inchi babwate because kerokenda abana inchi bagochotaka otwara doubts. Because in a bogo kolere guys, was in a way kolera.
All right.